Welcome to GRC 2025 and welcome to the Stars League. This year, you are not just driving robots, you are designing solutions for the cities we live in today and the ones we dream about tomorrow. Last year saw alliances form strong partnerships, push boundaries, and create masterpieces with robots through autonomous mission. This year, your challenge is to take it further. Build smarter, safer, and cleaner cities with robots that think, move, and make impact. The Smart City Challenge is inspired by the real-life needs of urban areas across Africa and beyond. How do we build a better city for everyone? You will complete missions that reflect real issues, fixing broken infrastructure, constructing buildings in the right order, and cleaning up urban waste. And you will do all this with your own custom designed robots, working with another team as an alliance. This is about innovation and empathy. Let's dive in. Mission 1. Fix the broken bridge. Your task. Your city's bridge is broken, and it's up to your robot to reconnect it. Push the loose segment of the bridge into its correct position to create a clear and stable path. This mission stimulates real-life recovery, where infrastructure repair is about fast response and accurate alignment. You earn 40 points if the bridge is completed during autonomous mode, 20 points if it is completed during manual mode, and you earn no points if the bridge is partially pushed or unstable. Mission 2. Build the city. Your task. It's time to rebuild your smart city, one block at a time. Your robot will collect separate building components, that's the copper, which is for the base, violet, which is the middle infrastructure, and gray, which is for the roof, and stack them in order to complete important structures. Each block has a sealed lid to prevent it from falling apart when handled. This makes moving each component easier, but stacking still requires control and precision. Now, here is where teamwork matters. If you are on the Red Alliance, your team must build a hospital and workplace infrastructures. And if you're on the Blue Alliance, your team must complete the workplace and school infrastructures. You earn 5 points for every copper foundation block placed correctly, 5 points for every violet middle block placed correctly, 5 points for every gray roof block placed correctly. Height bonus. Your block points are multiplied by the number of blocks stacked. That is total points times height. 50 plus points for every complete structure. That is foundation plus middle plus roof, built in correct zone. You lose minus 10 points if a block is misplaced or stacked in wrong order. Zero points if a building is missing its foundation. Minus 50 points if your team destroys or knocks over another alliance's building stack. Mission 3. Clean the city. Your task: pick up rubbish balls scattered across the city and drop them into the trash bin. You earn 10 points for each rubbish ball placed in the bin during autonomous mode. 5 points for each rubbish ball placed during manual mode. You lose points or earn nothing if a ball is dropped outside the bin. The Smart City Challenge is made up of 3 main missions. Fix the broken bridge, build the city, clean the city. Each mission earns you points based on how accurately and efficiently your robot completes the task. You have 3 minutes to complete. The first 30 seconds is autonomous mode. The final 2 minutes 30 seconds is manual mode. Before you step onto the field, there are some few things you absolutely need to know. These rules are here to keep the game fair, fun, and focused on what matters the most: you and your team's efforts. What you should always do: make sure your robot always starts from the start zone. That's your launch pad. Be on time and ready when match is scored. Don't keep your alliance partner waiting. Your teamwork starts before the match begins. Your robot must be safe to use, no sharp edges, no damaging parts. And remember, this is your challenge. That means your code, your design, and your decisions. Adults can support, but they can't take over. Always show respect to your teammates, to referees, and to teams around you. That's the GRC spirit. What you should never do: don't touch your robot during autonomous mode. Let it show what it is programmed to do. If you touch your robot outside the start zone or manual zone, you will get a 10-point penalty. And that penalty increases by 5 points each time it happens again. Don't restart your robot once the match begins. There is no second chances to live gameplay. Contact between robots is allowed. This is a shared field. But if you intentionally damage another team's robot, that's an automatic disqualification. The referee decides if it is on purpose. And most importantly, don't let someone else do the work for you. This is a student-led competition. Your hands, your brain, your build. GRC, one robot, endless possibilities.